Hey everyone, Greg with Drifter Journey. Today I have a special video for you. We're going to go over what comes with the Further Customs Laguna 330 Inflatable Catamaran and some of the accessories that we got for it. Make sure you look down below. We got some info for you to get a discount. And like, comment, subscribe. Purchase through our links to help us out. So yeah, I'm going to go over it. First things first is the UV cover, which we are down here in Mexico and the sun is intense. So I am very glad that we got this. It covers the boat quite well, actually. We did have to figure out the first couple go-arounds to get it on nicely, but basically get it on the nose and pull it back all the way to the right spot, and then you'll have plenty of room. We got a 15-horse motor on here that it still covers it up. And then there is a little clip on the front and rear to be able to make that adjustment. So it has some Velcro to be adjustable for different motors. Don't judge, it's dirty. We've been using it. All right, so we'll just toss this off to the side for now. So that is an optional accessory. We'll go over the optional accessories first. Another optional accessory is this padded seat bag. It has 3 smaller zippered pouches on the front, and then one big opening, big pouch where obviously we're storing some safety gear. So yeah, that's nice, padded, zips right onto the seat, and you can take it off and just Velcro on the top if you wanted to. That's an option. Optional. Let me go. I'm going optional. Sticking to what I'm supposed to be doing here. Cup holders. They're just threaded. There's a couple different locations where you can screw them on. So, cup holders. And that's it for the optional, which is why we really like the Further Customs option. So, things that come with it. This nice bimini top is included. I'm just gonna halfway clip it down. I got it real tight right now. The U-lock system here, there are 2 of those on here. It comes with rod holder / dive flag holder, and you just gotta unlock them, pop them in, and then lock them back up. So that's a nice little touch. Couple little rod holders. This will be good when we start fishing. Comes with 2 oars, which I don't know, they probably all come with 2 oars, but this one definitely comes with 2 oars. The seats, you get 2 aluminum EVA padded seats, so nice soft seats. We haven't had them get hot or anything because the sun isn't just baking down on the aluminum. They've been quite nice. And is that it? Oh, it came with the 2 pull straps. I saw that as an option for another company. So it came with 2 pull straps, a bunch of handles on there, and I think that is all of it, except I forgot the transom wheels to help you get it down to the water, but we have a full separate video with installation for that, so check it out. Like I said, make sure you check out down below in the description, get yourself a discount on one of these, and leave us any questions so we can answer them for you. We're running a 15 horse, and it goes pretty fast. We'll make a video about that too. Thanks for watching.